Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on day number 11 of Christy's Beautiful Life. 30 days of sketches. And the papers I'm going to be using are from the Now and Forever collection from Close to My Heart. I'm working on my wedding photos from 30 years ago. And I'm going to create a border with this heart paper, but because it's directional, I had to make sure that I cut strips with the hearts going one way and then strips for the sides of the paper going the other way. So you just saw me turn that paper. Unfortunately, in the end, these strips are a little bit too small, but stay tuned to see how I fix that. The outer portion of the border is going to be this toffee pattern with dots, and I'm going to place it all the way around my base cardstock, and I leave it just plain white. And I'm going to do the top and the bottom and then meter the other two pieces to go along the sides. Now I know this is a little out of frame, sorry about that, but I thought I'd leave it in because having a metered corner like this really is nice. It looks really nice and finished on a layout. So after I get the sides down, what I do is take the pieces of toffee pattern paper, fold them in half, put them on my Versamat, which is that black pad in the background there, and it has lines on it, and it has perfect 90-degree line going through the middle. You can see that in the screen there. So I used a pencil to mark my paper, and then I cut it with my scissors to give me that perfect 90-degree angle. Worked out great, and you'll be able to see a little bit of it, even though a lot of it's off camera. Sorry about that again. Yeah, I'm at a retreat, and my usual videoing isn't there. And every time my camera turned off, it went back to the closer frame, and if I didn't catch it, I recorded without it. So it's a learning process, right? Unfortunately, I didn't learn throughout the whole retreat. So sorry. But there you can see where I'm holding it together to mark it. And then it will shoot to the finished layout. It's kind of a funny pun on what happened. My husband decided to shove the cake up my nose when he was feeding me the cake at our wedding. And yeah, it was a funny layout to commemorate that. I was not very happy at the time, but now I can laugh about it. So I wanted to get it down as a layout. Hope you enjoy this. Make sure you check out everybody else who's following along with this series. There's lots of great inspiration. All of the links are in the video description below. So make sure you check those out and do something creative. Have a wonderful day.